Hey everyone, welcome back to part 4 of our Django tutorial series. In the previous video, we built a simple HTML contact form. Today, we'll make it work for real by saving form data to the database and preparing to send emails. Here's what we'll do step by step. 1. Create a database model for storing contact messages. 2. Build a Django form to handle user input. 3. Write a view to process and save for submissions. Add a success page and even send an email notification. Step 1. Creating the model. Open contact models.py. Alright, this is the heart of our contact system, the contact model. Every time someone fills out the contact form, Django will store their message as a record in this model. Let's break this down. Name, a short text field for the user's name. Email, a specific field that only accepts valid email formats. Message, a text area for longer messages. Created at stores the date and time automatically when the record is created. In Django, models define the structure of your database tables. That means once you create a model and run migrations, Django generates the table for you. Keep in mind, models are foundational. Once you have real data saved in them, changing field names or removing fields can break your database. So always think carefully about what data you want to store before migrating. Run the commands python manage.py make migrations. After this command, python manage.py migrate. The first command creates migration files, a kind of blueprint for your database changes. The second command actually applies those changes and builds your table inside in the database. Step 2. Creating the form. Before opening forms, we don't have the file as forms.py. So create contact forms.py. We're using a ModelForm which automatically connects our form fields to the model we just created. Django handles validation, HTML generation, and data binding for us, so we can focus on logic instead of writing tons of boilerplate. Step 3. Handling the form in views. Open contact views.py. checking the request method here. If it's a post, that means the user submitted the form. Then Django validates the data for us. And if everything is correct, we call form.save, which creates a new record in the contact table. Finally, we redirect the user to a success page to confirm everything worked. Step 4. Template updates. Template, contact, contact.html. In order to comment the selected text, pressing by the Ctrl plus / buttons make it to comment. The CSRF underline token helps protect against malicious submissions. Django handles it automatically. Step 5. Success page and email. Create templates, contact, success.html. We'll stop here for now, but in the next video we'll go one step further. Actually send an email notification when someone submits the form. So now your Django contact form is officially dynamic, connected to the database and ready for the next step, sending emails. In part 5, we'll set up Django's email system and make it work end to end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this useful.